Yep. The chickens really like it when he uses the tractor. They just love the worms. Funny how it is. There's a lot of red potatoes there. Thankfully, they don't really peck the potatoes, they peck the worms. We're pretty happy with this tool. Look at the size of that potato. Huge. They're all huge.
Hey. Hey.
We usually run through the patch. They are big. We usually run through the patch 2 or 3 times. Those are some big red taters.
Yeah, we'll get them next to a chicken. Here, sweetie.
That's pretty cool. This is the best investment that we've done yet on this farm. I think the attachment was like $209. Makes growing potatoes, well, planting and harvesting a lot easier. Indeed. We're pretty happy about it.